Hi, and welcome back to Legionero Designs, where I share my love of planning and my journey with learning AI. So today, I'm in my Planberry planner, and I want to make a to-do list page. In the back of the Planberry planner, and also at the end of each month. At the end of each month, there's a dot grid page. And I usually like to decorate those dot grid pages. In my last video, in my last plan with me, I talked about this Planberry planner and what's all in it. But I need a crafting to-do list page because there's some things that I need to do with crafting and I keep forgetting. So I'm going to use this Wrong Let's Get Crafty sticker book, and I'm going to decorate this page here. See if I can, there we go, bring you out a little bit. I've used this book before, but I haven't done like a flip through before now. To look at this, I was just sitting here and I said, you know what? I need to make a page, like a to-do list page. So because I kept running through my head different things that I need to do. Like I need to cut different script stickers, just so much that I need to do. And if I don't stop and do it right then, I forget about it until the next time I'm doing a plan with me, and then I realize I don't have what I need. All right, so first thing I think I'm going to do is I'm going to cut down this washi strip right here. It says all good things come to those who craft. So I'm cutting it down so it'll fit on my page. No. Okay. Stick that part back in the book, and then cut down this side as well and stick that back on the page. All right, so we might have to flip this book upside down so I can get a good grip handle on it to lay this sticker down. And I know I just started back doing Plan With Me's. I am the type of person that if a sticker goes down crooked, more than likely it's gonna stay crooked. No perfection over here. So let's see, what else can I put down? She has some really cute stuff in this book, if you haven't seen it. So I think that this is also giving me an idea to make some dolls, some crafty dolls. I made some. I didn't really like them. ChatGPT for some reason can do some things great, and then some things I'm just like, ugh. I just don't like some things because they don't come out clear, and I know people are like, well, you can upscale. Upscale doesn't always work. It doesn't take away the flaws. So that's why I haven't really, I'll cut things out and use them in my planner, but I haven't been planning, so there's that. But I haven't been able to produce any crafty sewing girls that I like. They're cute. Again, they can go in my planner. And I said in my last video, I am on the fence about selling because I feel like I need to start from the beginning and source different papers. And now that I have a laser printer, that's a whole different thing. So, all right, I'm looking off to see what else is in here I want to put down. Y'all, I'm so hot. Like, my doctor told me that she could write me a prescription for the estrogen patch because she asked me if I was having perimenopause symptoms, and I am, because it's hot. It's so hot. All right, I'll put this down. I'm not really very concerned about color palette either. I just want things down. I'm also I do so many things, y'all. Y'all know I sew, y'all know I have a Cricut machine. But I've started to color. I'm gonna start posting some of my coloring reels in the shorts on here, because I'm starting to color now. Now, when I say I am a beginner, I am a beginner. So you see streaks, everything in my color. I have been experimenting with different markers. I just got a set of Ohuhu markers. It's the markers that everybody raves about. But I also I did a free class online, and they use Copic or Kojic. Copic, I can't think of. I think it's Copic. I don't know. But they use those markers because they said those are the best. I want to say I don't know if she said Kojic or Copic. If you color, let me know. But and I can't think of her name. I'm so sorry. But I found a free coloring class where she takes you through how to color a butterfly. But it was kind of hard to follow because I didn't have the marker colors that she was using. And I'm not, like I said, I'm a beginner, so I'm not great at matching up. I have markers from TJ Maxx, which are the art therapy ones, I believe. I also got some from Walmart. Some skin tone color ones from Walmart. They seem to be very good. But I'm hearing that the Ohuhu markers, which is what everybody seems to use. Not every single person, but a lot of people use those markers. And on certain coloring pages from certain brands, there's not a lot of bleed through. Versus the markers that I got from TJ Maxx and Walmart and different stuff like that. On thin paper, there's a lot of bleed through. I haven't used them on thick paper. I'm also learning about different coloring book companies. I have my own coloring books on Amazon. I'm waiting on one of them to get approved, but as of right now, I have 3 coloring books on Amazon. 2 of them I just recently updated because I was not satisfied with the quality of those 2 books. So I updated those books. My first 2 that I put on there. One of them, it has 20 images in it. That was my first coloring book. And then the other one was the Chibi coloring book. And like I said, I I had the copies here at home, and I looked through them, and I was like, I'm not satisfied with the quality of these books. So I updated them, and they're updated and ready to go. And then I have my other coloring book. Maybe I'll do a video, a flip through of all of them when I have all of them. But I always link my Amazon author page below. Do I want to put something here? Let's see. This is cute. I don't know if I want to put it there. This is a cute book all around. I'm definitely going to use this to in my planner for Plan With Me one day. I think I'll use this. Boom. All right. And I think I will put some more dots here. And that way, whenever I think of something crafty that I need to do, I can't get to it right that minute, I'll pick this up. And I can stop forgetting to do the things, because I know I probably said in all 3 of the Plan With Me's that I have up now that I need to make more script stickers, and I still haven't made said script stickers. And then I forget which ones I say I need to make. So hopefully this will rectify that problem for me. Let me know in the comments if you just do to-do list pages. I have so much going. I'm gonna do a separate video showing y'all everything that I've been dabbling in since I have not been planning. It's so much stuff. All right, but this is my to-do list page. Super cute. Now I can write down all of my things. I'm just gonna put a to-do sticker there. I have one right here, as a matter of fact. Or should I put focus? I'm gonna put focus because I need to focus on this. I'm gonna put focus. And there we go. So now, done. Quick and easy. That's why I love these graph grid pages in this Planberry notebook, because it's my planner. It also has budget pages, monthly page, weekly page. Love it, love it, love it. All right, so let me know what you think of my to-do list page in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.